Hello everyone, my name is Gila. I posted a video before about the makeup for older people. Now I'm just going to give you a small tip today. So how to lift your eyes, and that is by using a highlighter, and I am using the Dior highlighter, and you just take a little bit and bring it from the corner of your eye and go up, and the same thing on this side, and then take your finger and blend it in really good, and the same on this side. You see how it lifts? It really lifts the eyes. And you can use this, it's not a concealer, but you can use it to highlight your this area and your dark circle. You can highlight your lines in here. You can highlight around your lips, and that way your lines would not show as much and as deep. So that's what I do. And then you can put your eyeliner afterward. Later you bring it, and then always from outside in, and then outside in, and then you apply your mascara, and that's your eye makeup. And when you apply mascara, bring it forward like that. And I hope that you enjoyed this little tip, and see you next time. I have some other tips that I will let you know. Thank you.